Hello guys.
Welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to cover 25 most important questions from Human Reproduction chapter from class 12 NCERT. So I am going to start. Please watch this video till end so that you can get line to line NCERT MCQs which will be helpful for NEET 2021. And the drill remains the same. I will give 10 to 15 seconds after I read the question. Till then you can solve it in your notebook. And here comes your question number 1. Which is the correct sequence of male accessory duct starting from testes? And the correct answer is option number A. It starts from rete testis, then vasa efferentia, then epididymis, then vas deferens. Okay, next question. Common duct formed by the union of vas deferens and duct of seminal vesicle is? And the correct answer is ejaculatory duct. It forms the common duct between vas deferens and seminal vesicle. Next question. You can see here vas deferens is somewhat here and seminal vesicle is here. It forms common duct for ejaculatory duct, which comes here. Next. The role of Leydig or interstitial cell is? An easy question. 3 seconds to go. And the correct answer is option C. Because the nourishment of sperm, this function is given by Sertoli cells. Motility of sperm is given by tail. So the correct answer is option C. Next question. What is the location and function of Sertoli cells? Means where are the Sertoli cells located and what are its function? You can solve this question by just knowing the function of Sertoli cells. And the correct answer is option number C. Sertoli cells are located in seminiferous tubules, which has the function of nourishment to spermatozoa. By this nourishment, it leads to formation of a mature sperm. Next question. Vasa efferentia exist between? In earlier diagram, I have shown the vasa efferentia, which was situated between correct answer is option D. It is situated between rete testis and epididymis. Next. In humans, the male accessory glands secretes seminal plasma, which is rich in NCERT example question. And the correct answer is option B. It is rich in fructose, calcium and certain enzymes. Next question. The part of fallopian tube which is closer to the ovary possess finger-like projection called? You can solve just by looking at this finger-like projection. And the correct answer is fimbriae, because these are closer to ovary and they are finger-like structures. Next question. Which of the following induces fetal ejection reflex? Means फीटल इजेक्शन रिफ्लेक्स किस किस में से जनरेट होता है? And the correct answer is easy question. Option B. Also a PYQ question. It is induced from fully developed fetus and placenta. Next question. The primary function of mammalian corpus luteum is to synthesis. Mammalian corpus luteum क्या secrete करता है, सिर्फ वो बताना है. And the correct answer is option C, progesterone. Simple NCERT question. Next question. Secretion of which gland has high percentage of fructose? जस्ट अभी हमने इसका आंसर सॉल्व किया. 3 seconds to go. And the correct answer is option C, seminal vesicle. Next. Capacitation refers to the physiological change undergo in order for कैपेसिटेशन क्यों किया जाता है और कहाँ पे किया जाता है? 11. And the correct answer is option D, for the preparation of sperm before fertilization. Next question. An important factor contributing to the onset and the maintenance of labor contraction. You may notice that labor contraction is done by and the important factors that affects or that are useful for labor contraction are, correct answer is all of this. It increases the contractility of the uterine muscle from increased oxytocin levels. Okay. Mechanical pressure or the cervix generated by the emerging baby's head. Okay. Stretching of uterus during the final stage of fetal growth means all this labor contraction takes place, which is a very important factor for every mother. Next question. Which of the following hormone is not produced by placenta? Not produced by placenta. And the correct answer is option D, because MSH is melanocytes stimulating hormone. How can it come under placenta? In human beings, at which month of pregnancy fetal movement and appearance of hair on head can be observed? An easy question, NCERT. And the correct answer is option A, 5th month. You must remember this data question from 5th month, 6th month, 1st month, 1st trimester. Next question. Which of the following indicates pregnancy? इनमें से प्रेगनेंसी क्या इंडिकेट करता है? Simple. The correct answer is option A. Lack of menstruation causes pregnancy, or it is an indicator for pregnancy. Next question. Extrusion of second polar body. Second polar body from egg nucleus occurs when? An easy question. And the correct answer is option A. After fertilization cannot come, because after fertilization it leads to formation of zygote. So its correct answer will be after entry of sperm but before fertilization. Next question. Which of this is not an important component of initiation of parturition in humans? An important question. And the correct answer is option D, synthesis of prostaglandins. Okay, next question. The amnion of mammalian embryo is derived from amnion of mammalian embryo. ये कहाँ से डिराइव हुआ है? एक्टोडर्म, मीसोडर्म, एंडोडर्म, किसमें से? And the correct answer is option A, ectoderm and mesoderm. Next question. Which of the following cells during gametogenesis is normally diploid? Simple question. And the correct answer is option B, spermatogonia. It is generally haploid. It is also haploid. And this is also. Next question. Identify the mismatch related to the human female reproductive event. You have to find the incorrect or mismatched pair. Five seconds more. And the correct answer is option D. Delivery of baby is not known as lactation, it is known as parturition. Okay? Else all are correct. Next question. What is the ploidy level of spermatogonia? Primary spermatocyst, primary polar body and spermatid. Out of this spermatogonia we have already solved. You can eliminate two options from just knowing the first one. And the remaining two from knowing second one. Correct answer is option number A. Spermatogonia is diploid. Primary spermatocyst is diploid, but the secondary spermatocyst is anhaploid. Okay, primary polar body is haploid and spermatid is haploid. Next question. Read the following statement and choose the incorrect one. Option A, option B, option C and option D. And the correct answer is option number C, because the site of fertilization is not fallopian tube but it is ampulla isthmic junction. Next question. The changes in GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone, pulse frequency in female is controlled by circulating levels of. Easy question. Not more than 3 seconds for this question. And the correct answer is option number A, estrogen and progesterone. Next question. A temporary endocrine gland in human body is temporary endocrine gland. And the correct answer is option C, corpus luteum. It is a temporary endocrine gland in human body. Last question for our class. In which of the following embryonic stages does the implantation takes place? And the correct answer is Option number A, because it is a stage which consists of trophoblast layer which get embedded in uterus. So the correct answer is option number A. Hope you guys have enjoyed a lot doing this question, and if you really loved this video, then you can share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified about all my disc classes. You can also comment your doubts in the comment section. Till then, goodbye and thank you.